Today we are making German cheesecake. Let's get started. For this recipe we need sugar, 5 eggs, cream cheese, vanilla at room temperature.
Add the cream cheese.
Scrape from the sides if needed. Okay.
Add the vanilla. Okay. Stop. Stop.
Now add the egg.
One at a time. Yay!
Get a pan 7 by 11 in measurement. And butter so the cake would come out easily.
Mama, baby,
See, I do love cooking.
good baby cooker. Naomi should have her own channel. Baby butt.
Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo doo doo.
Baby cooker. Baby cooker.
Add the mixture you made earlier into the pan.
Here's a spatula to get off the butter side.
Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 50 minutes.
Let's get to the oven. Bye-bye, Cakey.
For the topping, we need sour cream, sugar, and
Vanilla.
it's like a pie. I really like the layers, they really match.
And the vanilla doesn't even sink the sugar, but the sugar kind of sinks in it. And the water doesn't go up it. And it's pretty cool. It looks like the layer mixed up like a tornado came and then it washed with a giant spoon and then it all came into cream. Like, Dad.
I don't know. Yeah, I haven't touched sweet tooth. Our cheesecake just came out. Look at it. It looks so crunchy and brown on the sides. Now let's pour our Dave's sour cream mixture on the toast. You might have checked the oven while it was baking. You would have noticed that it was very high. Well, once you pour all the mixture on it, and you'll have to turn it to 300 Fahrenheit, and this will help the top set. And bake for 10 minutes. Good luck. Enjoy!
It's so sad that we can't eat today.
Let the cheesecake cool and then refrigerate it. Enjoy the next day. Thanks for watching!
Easy recipes for kids and everybody. Bye!
Time to try it!
Let's dig in our yummy doggies. Good.
The strawberries are kind of sour and give it off a good taste, along with the very sweet and cheesy insides.
It is so cheesy on the top of the cheesecake, and it's kind of crunchy right here. And on the bottom, it's so soft that I like it. And the strawberries are kind of going together with the pie because it kind of tastes like more sweetness to it, and it's very yummy. Thanks for watching Simple Kids Cooking.